Hi, first graders. Mrs. Walker again with,
Mr. Igo.
and we're going to work on some phonemic awareness again. Our first job is to listen for rhyming. Yes, no rhyming. Okay, pink drink. Yay. Wet pet. Dry fly. Fix snail. Good. Rake snake. Nice. Wrong house. And the last one, loud crowd.
Oh yeah.
Good job. Okay, so this one I'm going to say a word and we're going to listen for the first sound, the initial sound, the very first sound you hear of the word. You're going to say the word, circle. Good. Forever. Ticket. Necklace. Garden. Excellent. Next one, we're going to put two words together to make one word. Alrighty, we ready? Candlestick.
Candlestick.
Doorbell.
Doorbell.
Newspaper.
Newspaper.
Snowball.
Snowball.
Good job. If you want to do some of the others with someone in your house, go ahead and do some more. We're going to go on to the next one. Next one, we're going to pick out the ending sounds. I'm going to say a word, and then I'm going to say the ending sound. Ready? Stamp. Point. Snug. Dream. Piece. Web. Flown. Good work. Next page. All right. This one we're going to start with the whole word and take the word apart into two parts. Okay? So use your hands. Stopwatch.
Stopwatch.
Good. Flashlight.
Flashlight.
Ponytail.
Ponytail.
Good. One more. Quarterback.
Quarterback. And
I did the same ones that Mrs. Igo, Mr. Igo yesterday. So let's do a couple more with those on the right list. Chalkboard.
Chalkboard.
Doghouse.
Doghouse.
Haircut.
Haircut.
Okay, so we got some really good ones from yesterday, the last one. So over here, if you want to do some of the others, go for it. Okay, next part. We're going to add a part to a word that we already have. Okay, so we're going to start with the word rain. We're going to add storm to make
rainstorm.
Good. Head.
Head.
Add light.
Light. Headlight. Hair.
Add style.
Hairstyle. Sun.
Add flower.
Sunflower.
Good. So if you want to do some more of those, you can. Good job. Next one. Now we're going to start with the big word. We're going to take away part of it. Okay, so we're going to start with spaceship. Take away ship.
Space.
Blackboard without board.
Black. Sunset
without set.
Sun.
Nighttime without time.
Night.
Good. So if you want to practice some of those others, perfect. Last page. Nope. Other one. This one. Oh,
there you go.
This one.
Woo.
Okay, so now we're going to be starting with the whole word. We're going to change part of it. So like airplane, change plane to port.
Airport.
Indoors, change doors to side.
Inside. Fireworks,
change works to fly.
Fire will fly.
That's okay. We got it. One more. Sunglasses, change glasses to light.
Sunlight.
Nice. Some others to practice if you like there also. Next one, we're going to be thinking about how we say sentences and what they end in. Our first sentence ends in a period. So we just use a normal tone, okay? We're going to count the number of words in the sentence. We run on the playground.
We run on the playground.
Good job. Yes. The next one ends in a question mark. So you should listen to how our voice changes when we add that question in and we ask a question. Do you have a notebook?
Do you have a notebook?
Good. How many words?
5.
5. Good. Oh, this one we're going to say with some excitement because it ends in an exclamation mark. Today is a fun day to learn.
Today is a fun day to learn. 7 words.
Good. Another exclamation mark. So say with excitement. My backpack is so heavy.
My backpack is so heavy.
Good.
5 words.
One more ends in a question mark. So we're going to ask a question. So change your voice towards the end of the sentence. Does our classroom have a doorbell?
Does our classroom have a doorbell? 6.
Good job. Thank you, first graders. We'll see you soon.
See ya.